it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every...
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be meal planning, grocery shopping, and then you are going to cook a meal with me today. We've been really busy with birthdays and dance competitions, so the amount of eating out we've been doing is ridiculous. So today we are going to be getting back on track and back to cooking meals at home and eating here. I have been cooking out of the Skinny Taste cookbook, and sometimes I will get recipes from Pinterest and sometimes I will get recipes from the WW app. So I'm going to show you how I make my menu, how I make my shopping list, and then we will go grocery shopping together in just a bit. Okay, I'm going to show you how I do my meal planning. I'm only going to meal plan for this week because next week is spring break and I'm still not sure what we are doing. So today is Tuesday. I will get a notebook and I will write the days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll just do these days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because Saturday my daughter won't be here. So more than likely I will be eating dinner out with my husband. Monday, obviously, we have already passed that day, so we're just gonna go on Tuesday. So I will get on Pinterest. Okay, I will look up spring recipes for dinner, and then I will just go through and see what sounds good to me, and then I will see what my family will actually eat. I love things like this couscous meal with feta and spinach, but my family will not eat that. So I'm also blind, so I need the screen really bright. Actually looks good for my lunch. That looks delicious. Sometimes I'll make a big thing like this and then I will just eat it several days because I'm the only one here for lunch. So I will write this and then I will make sure to pin this so that I can find it later. Sometimes it takes a lot of scrolling to find something that really strikes you. So nothing was sounding good, so I moved to One Sheet Pan Meals Healthy. I'm gonna see if something on this page will strike my fancy. Okay, this looks delicious. This is something my family will eat. So this is what we are going to do for dinner tonight. So I'll put it here on Tuesday. Sheet pan shrimp boil. And then I will make sure to look at the ingredients. I already have the sausage, so I don't need to write that down. But then I will flip my page and then I'll write down the ingredients for each recipe. That is one meal. 3 more to go. this looks good. My family loves Asian food. So sheet pan chicken teriyaki. I'll probably do that on Thursday. I'll do that on Friday. Don't judge my writing. It's terrible, I know. I will pin that so I can come back and find the instructions. So I'm gonna go back to spring dinner recipes because I don't want to keep making a bunch of sheet pan meals. Okay, nothing's really jumping out to me. I'm gonna go to my next trick or my next idea, and I'm gonna go to the WW app and then scroll all the way down and click on recipes. I will scroll through the recipes that I have saved and see if anything sounds good, and oh whoops, I'll see if anything sounds good, and if not, then I'll go back to the recipes tab and look for new ideas. None of that sounds good, so I'm going to browse the recipes. I'm gonna look for quick and easy. Something my daughter mentioned the other day was that she wanted breakfast for dinner. I just now remembered that. So we will do that tomorrow. We just got a new waffle maker, so I think that's why she wants to do that. And that leaves Thursday. I'm going to just do something super quick. I like Pinterest to do this because I can see the pictures, and that's what inspires me to want to cook, if something looks good. I had some shrimp tacos the other day and they were amazing, and I kind of want to do that again. I don't want to do fish though. Pineapple lime slaw. This is what we'll do on Thursday because shrimp is so fast cooking. This will take no time at all. Now that I have my menu, I will leave this page at home so I don't lose it between here and the grocery store and making it back. I will take this with me. But this is not all that I need when I go grocery shopping, so now I will think about what I need for the house. This is my menu for the week. Please excuse my beautiful handwriting. And this is my grocery list. Now that I have my grocery list, let's go get baby dressed and head to the store. Got the list, got the wallet, got the phone, got the, trying this again. We have gas, we have a wallet, we have a grocery list. I have a mask, I have a camera. I'm gonna go get groceries. Yes, okay, let's go. This is not on my list, but I like to grab one of these before they sell out, the decorative citronella candles for my deck. Now to the groceries. Ta-da! Okay. I hate these, but these are the best. They're sweetened, so this one is my favorite. Hush! And then go with the strawberry one today. I usually get Silk Sweet Cream. They don't have it, so I think I'll try the caramel. This is not on my list, but I ran out of this. And I want to try this. And then I need to get some Dawn Power Wash. The apple scent's a little much for me. I think I'll try this one this time. I think I'll do that. Hey, cheese, no. I'm gonna go with these. Okay. I'm going to do a quick grocery haul now that I'm back from the grocery store. As a reminder, this is what is on my menu. Today we're going to be doing the sheet pan shrimp boil, tomorrow breakfast for dinner, Thursday shrimp tacos, and then Friday the sheet pan chicken teriyaki. And in true Taylor fashion, I wrote this down and then I didn't even get the groceries for it. For the shrimp boil, I have these 2 bags of shrimp. I like peeled, deveined, and my daughter loves when the tail's on so she can peel it off, so that's what I got. I also got these yellow potatoes for the shrimp boil. I already had the sausage, so the last thing I needed to get was the corn. The next meal is pretty easy. I got KODIAK cakes, and I also picked up some bacon for the breakfast for dinner. I like thick cut bacon, and we already have the eggs. For the shrimp tacos, I got this wild Gulf shrimp. I haven't had this kind before, but I will let you know how I feel about it. So we got the shrimp. We got the street taco flour tortillas. We got the pineapple for the pineapple salsa, and I already have cabbage. Then I got the salsa verde for the tacos. Some limes for the tacos. Some avocados. For the sheet pan chicken teriyaki, we have some chicken breast strips down here. I got some jasmine rice for the side. We have a thing of broccoli, baby bell peppers. I can't remember what the carrots are for. They're for a recipe. I think it's for the chicken teriyaki. And then a big bag of sugar snap peas. I grabbed some pre-cut watermelon for Livs. A giant thing of strawberries for the breakfast for dinner. I got the Dawn Power Wash with the citrus scent because I think the green apple is a little too strong. The best glass cleaner you will ever use. It is only 3 o'clock right now, so I'm going to wait for Logs to get out of school. And then around 5 o'clock I will start cooking dinner and I will bring you guys with me. Okay, it's time to start making dinner. I'm going to start boiling this water and then we are going to put these potatoes in it. So first I'm going to salt the water. And then we're going to put it to high. When it starts boiling, we'll throw the potatoes in there, and I'm going to get to cutting the corn in chunks.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, it, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Now that I've cut the sausage, I'm going to cut this into chunks, put it in the bowl and microwave it, and then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of garlic and then some Old Bay seasoning. I don't have any cloves of garlic, so I'm going to use this garlic paste, and I'm just going to squeeze some in the melted butter, and then I'm going to put some Old Bay seasoning in there. So now that the potatoes and corn are boiling, we have about 3 more minutes until they're done. I'm going to take this giant sheet pan and spray it with some coconut oil spray. That's not the recipe, I just don't want it to stick to this pan. Okay, once the potatoes and corn are done boiling, we will put them on this pan and we'll dump half of the seasoned butter onto it, and then we will put the sausage and the shrimp and then dump the other part of the seasoned butter. And I'm going to sprinkle it with garlic salt because, well, I want to. Now that these are done boiling, we're going to drain them as best we can and then lay them on the sheet pan.
We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart.
I'm going to give this another stir since it's been sitting for a minute. And then I'm going to pour half of it on. I'm going to sprinkle a little with garlic salt. And I'll sprinkle a little bit more of this seasoning on the corn and potatoes. I'm going to move it all down to one end, and then I'm going to put the sausage down here. Ooh. I had to heat up some more butter. Now I'm going to dump the 2 bags of shrimp right here. Goes into the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. While the food cooks in the oven, I'm going to cut up a lemon and I'm going to chop up some parsley. I'm the only person in my house that will squeeze this on their food, so I'm only going to cut up one, and then I'm going to get out the bowls and silverware. Okay, this is fantastic. And then I have the stems. This looks so good, and I only burnt myself once making it. Done and ready to eat. I'm gonna end the video here. We had a delicious dinner, and now I'm going to go clean up the mess and run the dishwasher and get ready for bed. Thank you for meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking with me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!